In this activity, students use clues to identify the order of numbers to fill in the boxes. Please laminate these cards and provide a dry erase marker so that students can write directly on these cards before they place them in on the task card. 3, 2. The number that comes before 2 is 1. 6. The number that comes before 6 is 5, and then 4, and then here 7. Now 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get another one. 9, 8. The number that falls in between 11 and 9 is 10. 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Twelve, 11. This is 10, 9, 8, 7, and this is 13. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. The directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback. There is a reference chart that students can use as and when needed.